We all went to the optometrist to get our eyes checked, and one of our daughters has 20/20 vision. Everyone else got glasses. The optometrist mentioned that she might want just fake glasses kind of as a placebo, so when everyone's studying with glasses, she feels like she's in the mode to study too. So we ended up getting her a pair of glasses, even though they're just plastic lenses. Now, the lenses have the printing on them. We bought just the Costco pair right off the shelf, and they have the printing on it, and I can feel it's raised. I bet it's some kind of thing that we can get rid of with acetone, nail polish remover. So we're going to try that right here. All right, let's try this. There it goes. What? Let's use a new fresh one. That's crazy. That's cool. At first I didn't think it was going to work, but it totally worked.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Okay, and it left, I was worried that it left kind of a film. It wasn't. It was like a, what do you call it? Like the condensation on the backside. So I just wiped off the backside too.
Yeah,
and now it's
great.
Clean and clear. So let's do this one now too. Look at that.
That is amazing.
Poof, gone.
Wow. That's amazing.
So cool.
We'll use lens
Holy
cleaner and then we'll give them to her.
It took off a little purple, or left for the maroon.
So yeah, don't touch the rim with
yeah,
the
just
nail
if you
polish
just keep to the glass, it'll come right off. That's so
That's
cool.
so awesome. Hi, Daisy.
Hi.
I have a surprise for you.
What?
Do you know what it is?
No.
Check it out. You look awesome. And you see the little stickers are gone off the glasses too. Oh, they're nice and clean. Oh, you're going to study really well with those.
I can be a librarian.